Home health care has become a major business in South Florida. So coming up next, I talked with Boca Raton businessman Jason Dynan, who runs a company called Complete Home Care. And in an interview taped earlier, I asked Jason what his company was all about.
We provide a great service for the community. What we do is we take care of people in their homes. What we do is we let them get better and rehabilitate. Instead of being in a hospital setting or in a facility setting, we take care of them at the home. Statistics have shown that people getting healthcare services at home actually recover much faster. What we provide is skilled nursing, physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy.
How did you get involved in all this?
You know, it's a great story. My partner, Justin Raby, and I both own a development company for about 12 years. We were business partners. And
here in South Florida.
Here in South Florida, locally owned business. We were doing great. And both of us had situations with loved ones, our grandmothers, that needed home health care. And both of us were coordinating the efforts of home health care. He was doing it locally, and I was doing it. She was living in Massachusetts at the time. And we both saw a major void in the services and just the communication between the agency, the patient, in the doctor's office. You know, my situation is that the home health care agency didn't show up on time. They didn't give her the care that she needed. And, you know, I saw that and I said, wow, you know, what I can do something and make a difference here. You know, what a business model, what's something that I can help the community with. And Justin and I decided, hey, let's make a difference. Let's try this. And you know, 5 years ago, we started the business.
Wow, that's from scratch.
From scratch.
Now you got how many people on your staff?
We have 60 employees on staff, and we're growing every day.
Hey, that is terrific. That's a great story we love to portray here on the business.
Absolutely. And one of the great things is just a couple weeks ago, we got an award for Elite Home Care, the top agency in the nation. We're in the top 5% in the whole entire nation for home health care agencies.
Well, congratulations. That's terrific.
Thank you very much.
That's really terrific. Hey, listen, with your staff, you know, security is a big problem down here in South Florida. And how do you handle that with your staff?
You know, all our staff members, they're not independent employees. They're all employees of us, Complete Home Care. We go through extensive background screening. Every single caregiver goes through an FBI background check, and they have to get fingerprinted and approved before they can go see a patient.
I got you. All right, so we got, well, where do you find these people? You know, this is a very intensive relationship between your staff and your client and your patient. So where do you find these people?
Well, you know, a lot of times we go to local colleges and find new grads, and we also, we're just out in the community. You know, we have a great director of nursing, and she's always recruiting, always finding people, and a lot of it's word of mouth and in schools and just being in business.
All right, that's marvelous.
Yes.
Well, listen, what kind of fees are involved with this situation?
Well, the unique thing about Complete Home Care is that we're a Medicare certified and private duty home health care agency. On the Medicare side, if you have any new disease or illness, Medicare will take care of that 100%, no charge. So your doctor will let you know if you do when you do have Medicare. He'll send over us a script, and there's no charge to you, no copay, no anything. If you do have a commercial insurance or HMO, what we would do is run the benefits. Every single insurance policy is different, so we'll let you know. There might be a copay; it might be covered 100%.
Well, will you work with the people within their budget?
Absolutely. And another part of home health care that we do is I wanted to touch on a little bit is the private duty home health care, and what that is that could be 24-hour. Nursing, or it could be a couple days a week. And what that does is that takes care of people's personal care, activities of daily living. It could be shopping, cooking,
hygiene,
bathing, hygiene, you know, you name it. And we make sure to work within anyone's budget. We have no minimums, no hourly minimums, no weekly minimums. We want to provide a service to the community, so we will work within your budget. Any situation, you know, we'll deal with.
All right. Well, how many clients in South Florida do you have? They're all over Palm Beach County and Broward County?
They're all over. Well, we service 6 counties. The majority of our patients are in Broward County and Palm Beach County, and we go all the way up to the Treasure Coast.
Wow. Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. Well, listen, in doing all this with the business and so forth, do your clients, how do the clients know about you? How do you market your business?
You know, we're out in the community. We do lecture series. We reach out to Century Village.
Work with a lot of doctors and
Absolutely.
hospitals?
We also call on doctors. I have a marketing team that call on doctors and hospitals. We're very close to a majority of local hospitals. We partner with them. A lot of times they use our services to help them discharge patients safely.
Right. Well, with the new healthcare regulations coming in, you know, the hospitals with due diligence really need this type of service. Yeah.
Absolutely. You know, the healthcare is shifting over to preventative care, and that's a great position that our company is in. We're ranked in one of the top agencies in the nation, and what they call is a readmission rate, we're one of the lowest in the state. So the hospitals see that, and they want to partner with us because they want to make sure that they discharge their patients safely. And complete home care is a perfect place for them to go.
All righty. Well, listen, Jason, God bless you, and good luck to you with your business. And you're doing a wonderful job. I love it, from scratch to really 60 employees and doing a rock and roll job.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks for having me.
And stay with us. We'll return right after these words.